and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to run BinBotPro, a free binary option robot on one of my biggest accounts. Because it's more fun when you run on a big account because you make more money, right? But yeah, so if you want to run this robot also, you can do it completely for free. You find link below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure to push the subscribe button and the like button. And if you have any question at all, put them below the video. So with that, let's start up BinBotPro. just like that, we made $6,893 in matter of 7 minutes. Once again, BinBotPro made a winner for us on my biggest account. So amazing. You can run this robot also, link below the video. And remember, push the subscribe button and the like button. And if you have any question, leave them below the video. So with that, have a perfect day.